Hi guys, back with Samantha Learns Spoken Sinhala. Let's see what are the words and phrases we are learning today. Before I start, I would like to say the current situation in Sri Lanka is really bad, and Sri Lankans are in terror because of the Muslim terrorist attacks that happened on Easter, um, killing more than 250 people. Um, so I hope things will settle back soon and you all can visit Sri Lanka again. The what happened is really sad and really hard. But I hope things will get settled and all the terrorists will get wiped out from this country. So it was really shocking because the bombs exploded within few minutes in several places, including several hotels and churches. So let's hope for the best. And right now, the situation is really I don't know, because everywhere in Sri Lanka, the army is searching, and they found out a lot of swords and knives and bombs and a lot of things belongings to Muslim terrorists from everywhere. So but still search parties are there, and still they find out things, swords like every day. I don't know how many more are there. I don't know how many more will be there. So I hope everyone, if you are staying in Sri Lanka, I hope everyone will stay safe and don't gather in crowded areas. Um, Stay safe until the situation gets calmed. So, and I'm sorry I didn't post a lesson from a long time, I think around 6-7 months. I was really busy, but I'm hoping to post more lessons at least once a week. But sometimes I get busy and I cannot stay focused. So let's see what we are learning today from this lesson. Stay safe. Stay safe. පරිස්සමෙන් ඉන්න. පරිස්සමෙන් ඉන්න. පරිස්සමෙන් ඉන්න. පරිස්සමෙන් ඉන්න. Stay safe. Don't go out. Don't go out. එළියට යන්න එපා. 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 Lot of people. ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු. ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු. ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු. ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු. Careful. Careful. පරිස්සමෙන්. 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 What has happened? What has happened? මොකක්ද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? 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 Something is wrong. Something is wrong. මොකක් හරි අවුලක් තියෙනවා. මොකක් හරි අවුලක් තියෙනවා. මොකක් හරි අවුලක් තියෙනවා. Come quickly. Come quickly. ඉක්මනට එන්න. ඉක්මනට එන්න. ඉක්මනට එන්න. ඉක්මනට එන්න. ඉක්මනට එන්න. Stop. Stop. නවතින්න. 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 Don't move. Don't move. හෙලවෙන්න එපා. හෙලවෙන්න එපා. හෙලවෙන්න එපා. හෙලවෙන්න එපා. හෙලවෙන්න එපා. Protect. Protect. ආරක්ෂා කරනවා. ආරක්ෂා කරනවා. ආරක්ෂා කරනවා. කරනවා. ආරක්ෂා කරනවා. Still don't know. Still don't know. තාම දන්නේ නැහැ. තාම දන්නේ නැහැ. තාම දන්නේ නැහැ. තාම දන්නේ නැහැ. No reason. No reason. හේතුවක් නැහැ. හේතුවක් නැහැ. හේතුවක් නැහැ. හේතුවක් නැහැ. I'm fed up. මට එපා වෙලා. මට එපා වෙලා. මට එපා වෙලා. මට එපා වෙලා. Help us. Help us. අපිට උදව් කරන්න. 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 Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share with your friends, like and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.